Hi, sweet stampin' friends. Debra Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. Welcome. I am coming to you by pre-recorded video. I am actually taking this week to spend some vacation time with my family. I will be back next Friday though, but I still wanted to share with you a really fun project. Last week I showed you a project that I cased from Ange McKay up in Canada and with the Happy Forest Friends Suite. So we're going to do another one of her projects today because I just felt it just paired perfectly with the projects that I'm doing for the July Sweet Creations Club. So let me go ahead. I'm going to turn my camera down and let's share. I want to share with you today's project. All right, so I'm going to remove my banner here in just a minute, but I wanted to share with you my blog address right there. It is Simply Sweet Ink Designs. Anytime you want to see what I have going on, my events, any promotions that I have, or come back and watch the replay of one of my projects, you can do that right here on my blog. So take note of that, bookmark it, and let's go ahead and get rid of it. So we've got a little more room. All right. So as I said last week, we made this project. This was actually, like I said, case from Ange McKay. She made an adorable set of projects with the Happy Forest Friends as part of a creative convention recently, and she shared her designs with us. So I wanted to share a couple of them with you. So this is the one we made last week. So if you didn't catch it, you can hop back over to my YouTube channel and look for the project that was done on June 10th of 2022. So you can find the instructions, the video instructions on how to make this project. This is another one of Ange's projects that we're making. Now I did tweak it a little bit, added some different things, and actually a new product right here. So I will share that with you in a moment. And I thought we would just do another little fun project with the Happy Forest Friends. Now we are going to be using, like last week, the Happier Than Happy bundle with the stamps and the dies to be able to make our project today. All right, now let me get my supplies over. And make sure that if you are on my email list that you check your email tomorrow afternoon, because I will have the project sheet with the measurements and the supplies I use for today's project. If you're not on my email list, make sure you sign up so you can get notice of promotions and events that I have coming up, as well as enjoy the weekly project sheet. All right, so here are the supplies that we're going to use. We're going to start off with a piece of thick basic white cardstock. Now this measures 4 1/4 by 11 inches. And then I have scored in half here at 5 1/2 inches. And this is going to be our card base. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to take a piece of Calypso coral cardstock. Now this piece measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I actually have already embossed it with the timber embossing folder to give it a really cool little wood grain look. We used this embossing folder in last week's project too for the diorama card. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to glue this Calypso coral layer onto the front of our card base. I'm going to center it right here. Move that up a little bit. Ooh, squishy glue. Okay. All right. So now what I want to do is I am going to take a piece of gray granite cardstock. Now this piece measures 3 1/8 by 4 3/8. And so we're going to glue that to the center of our Calypso coral layer. And then we're going to take some designer series paper from the Happy Forest Friends. Now this piece measures 3 by 4 1/4 inches, and that's just going to go on top of our gray granite layer. We're just going to have just a little bit of the gray granite showing around the edges. Okay, so now I have, this is a new product that is actually going to be part of our celebration offering starting in July, and it is called Rings of Love Designer Series paper. So what I did is I cut out one of the tree rings from that paper pack, and I am going to pop it up here in the corner with some dimensionals. And there are different sizes that you can use. I think I chose the middle size for the tree rings. Put that right there in the corner. And then I want to do a little bit of stamping. So what I have done is I have die cut out. Now included in the Happier Than Happy bundle, there is a really cute little label tag. So I have die cut one out ahead of time. And I'm going to use from the Happier Than Happy stamp set, the saying hello baby. And I'm going to stamp in soft suede ink. All right, little crooked there, but that's okay, it's handmade. Now I'm going to pop this up with some dimensionals. And I'm going to angle it right here across that little tree ring. And then I'm going to, while I have my soft suede out, is I'm going to take this really cute bear stamp. Told you last week I love the bear stamp. I just think it makes the whole set. And I'm going to use my soft suede again. And we are going to stamp the bear onto the thick basic white cardstock. And I have gone ahead and I die cut one of these out for us so that we could go on ahead and move on with the project, because I've got some really fun things to share with you today. Remember last week I told you I had a really cool thing to share with you? Well, this is the week and I want to tell you all about it. Okay, so I'm going to pop this up with a dimensional. And I'm going to take right here my piece of the thick basic white, and I'm going to stamp, there's a tiny little butterfly in the stamp set, and I'm going to stamp it in Calypso Coral. All right, again, I have already cut that little butterfly out with the dies. Instead of using my regular dimensionals, I'm going to use a mini because this is a really tiny little die cut here. And I'm going to have this little butterfly look like it landed on the paw of the bear there. And then the last thing I want to do is I'm going to take a mini glue dot, and I have here a double linen bow, and I'm just going to adhere that down with a glue dot. And that is our project this week. Super cute. Like I said, Ange has a whole collection of some projects using the Happy Forest Friends suite. Also, too, if you would like to do more of the Happy Forest Friends projects, I do have my July Suite Creations Club, which is going to be featuring designs using the Happy Forest Friends bundle. And the subscription registration is open from now until July 5th. And the cost is $39. It includes the pre-cut project packets, approximately $20 in new product goodies for you, PDF tutorial, and first class shipping with tracking. So I will ship out those kits on July 15th. And also, too, I have the July Stamp and Bunko. Every month, there's a group of us, about 16 of us, who get together and we do some crafting and we play Bunko online on Zoom. And so the date of that event is July 19th from 6 to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. The cost is $30. And I wanted to show you the projects because they are so cute. They're using the Sweetest Cherries bundle to make this card. And I found this really cute little bucket at Hobby Lobby, and so I bought some along with some cherry gum balls to be able to put in the bucket, and that's the projects that we're going to be making in our July Bunko. Now, the fun thing that I wanted to share with you. So, like I said, while I am away this next week on vacation, I want to offer a really awesome, fun ordering promotion for you. So, from now, today, which is the June 17th through June 26th. I think that's a Sunday, June 26th. For When you place an order with me of at least $50, I am going to send you a package of free goodies. Now, I have collected quite a bit of some products over this past year that have retired or that I bought extras of by accident. And so I want to be able to share those with you rather than selling them. So I am going to send you, based on your order amount, I will send you a really fun package in the mail. So if your order is at least $50, I will send you a $30 package. If your order is $100, you will get a $70 package from me. If it is a $150 order, you will receive a $100 package. And then if you really go on a fun shopping spree and place a $300 order or more, you will get a package valued of at least $200 from me. Now, this is offered exclusively through me. It is not part of Stampin' Up, any promotion that Stampin' Up is doing. So you'll want to make sure shop my link as well as put in the host code. And you can also find this information for this mystery box promotion in the video description below. But I wanted to share with you, give you an idea of what kind of fun products you could get. Here's a sample if you were to place a $100 order, what $70 in products would look like for you. Now, it could include, I'll try to make sure you have at least one stamp set. Now, this is totally a sample. It will vary entirely what will be in your package. But also you'll have like maybe a stamp set or two, you'll have some paper, maybe some packaging, embellishments, and also too, you may receive one of my extra project kits that I've done over this past year. So guys, I hope that you will have a wonderful weekend, and I do look forward to joining you next Friday live. Do make sure you take advantage of that mystery product box promotion and have a lot of fun shopping. And I am happy to send you a really fun box of all kinds of fun products, like little trinkets and stuff, extra cards that I have. Trust me, it will be a fun box for you. And I forgot to tell you, I am also going to ship it to you free. You don't even have to pay for shipping for the box. So guys, have fun, have a great weekend, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.